Oh boy. Wow. My God.
And there is momentum, so you can click and let it slide.
I'm with my friend David, who has a Vision Pro, and so I'm going to try this for the very first time.
So pull your glasses off, right?
Oh yeah,
yeah.
I do that because I can't see.
Yeah.
Should I take my stocking cap off?
Probably a good idea.
How's my hair?
It's fine.
Is it great
oh,
for
it's
video?
very good.
Awesome.
You have good hair. So
I need to get it cut. Okay, so
pop it on and then put this strap behind you, and then you're going to tighten it on the strap on the right.
okay, there's a strap on the right.
And do you see me?
Not yet. No, I see goggles.
Oh, right. It wants you
in
to
front of
like.
me. So where's the adjustment over here?
Oh, it's moved right back here.
Oh, this.
Yeah,
Okay.
to tighten
I see,
it.
got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's going to want to change the interpupil distance. I think you push it once or something.
I did push it. Oh, whoa, dude! My hand's in front of the. My hand is in front of that.
In front of
the
what?
floating window. I'm pressing the digital crown, but nothing.
Oh, well,
there we go.
You,
Look at your hands to set up. The thing is blurry.
Okay, well, it
The
could
text
be
is blurry because my vision.
It could be, yes. So this is where someone would have the prescribed magnetically attached lenses to.
Right. The thing is just so fascinating to me is that first dialogue that popped up. It was floating in front of me, but then I had my hand up and it was floating behind my hand.
Yeah. Well, it's compositing the real world.
Oh, dude, completing eye setup and the this is legit. Yeah, safety, sure. Continue.
So, can you look at your hands? Remember I was telling you, like,
yeah.
If you can tell. I mean, the past.
I mean,
maybe it's blurry for you.
It's blurry for me.
Or look at your watch. Can you read your watch?
It's blurry, but not as blurry as it normally is.
Okay.
Like, not to say this has improved my prescription any. Oh yeah. Oh, I moved over there.
Okay.
I gotta be very careful about like where I look.
So if with the clicking, if you hold.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
How do I scroll?
You click and hold, and then go left and right.
Oh, left and right. Okay, I see.
Or up and down if you're in a web page.
Oh my God.
And there is momentum, so you can click and let it slide, like the original iPhone, gravity and all that.
Okay,
stuff.
this is crazy. This is my first time in a Rivian and the first time using a Vision Pro. I gotta tell you, man, I gotta figure out how to budget for this because this is just too good. And I've been critical on Apple software, but dude,
right now you're seeing the whole world as pass through.
Yeah.
If you take the digital crown before that you were pushing,
yeah,
but now rotate it.
Okay. Oh, holy sh!
What are you? Is this Hawaii with clouds and mountain, or are you on the moon? Or
oh, dude, I don't know where I am. It's like mountains and stuff.
Oh, that's Hawaii. Are the clouds?
And clouds, and I'm on a mountain.
That's my favorite view for programming.
Yeah, but it's.
But now dial it back a little bit. You can have semi-immersive.
Yeah.
Normally I would be...
This is freaky, dude. Whoa. I feel like Peter Griffin, you know, when he went into the real world. Like, yeah. Whoa. How do I invoke?
Like her name. I don't want to say.
Hey, Siri. Start screen recording. You can learn how to create a screen... I actually had to move closer to the dish. Like, seriously, I got closer to this. Crazy, dude. Oh, this is freaking me out. Okay. It said it couldn't do it.
Why don't we try Disney?
Holding the figure and clicking work. Okay, Disney Plus.
Yeah. So, are you in Disney Plus now?
Crazy. Yeah.
So now, look on the left again. There should be a little icon that's a mountain, and you could change the view. We're going to put you on Tatooine.
Okay, wait. So I actually have to load. Who am I loading?
David.
And you said there's a mountain.
Yep. And now pick Tatooine or something.
Let's see. What do we select? Environment. I see Captain's Shield. Tatooine. There we go.
I figured you'd like this one.
Stay aware of your surroundings. Yep. Okay. I'm not going anywhere. Dude, I'm in a freaking land speeder. Holy.
So this is how you would watch a movie.
Hang on. I gotta go fully immersed in this one. Whoa, dude. Dude, I have not used VR in so long. This would spoil me.
Yeah.
This would spoil anybody. Wow. Oh my God. I'm in trouble.
Yeah. Someone just stole $3,500 from you.
How am I gonna budget that? Oh my God, dude, this is wild. Wow. And it's nighttime on Tatooine, like everything dark.
Oh,
everything
okay.
Dark.
Yeah.
So it's like a movie theater. Boy, it's like I'm staring. It's like I'm in a movie theater
with like 100-foot screen.
Yeah. No joke, dude. This is gonna kill the TV industry.
It is.
Like television sets.
It's far better viewing experience than watching on a big screen
God.
TV at home.
Now my only concern, my eyes. I don't know if it's fatigue or just the blurriness, but I am feeling a little...
I think it's a prescription issue. I can be in it for hours.
Wow. I mean, it's incredible. It's like I'm sitting in front of the screen. This is easily beyond anything that I would have expected. Easily. Then to the point where I'm just like, okay, how the hell... Where the hell am I going to get the budget for this?
I know. Oh my God. Is there a butterfly yet?
Yeah, there's a butterfly.
You can put your hand out and it will come.
Okay, it's flapping its way here. Holy shit. Oh my God. Holy shit.
Hey, you got to monetize this video, so you can't say
I'll
those
bleep
things.
that out. What the fuck? Oh man, that is wild. Oh man. Then it's opening up into the world.
Now, normally, if you weren't sitting in a car, you could get up and walk around,
Oh,
get close to it, put your hand out. There's little baby dinosaurs you could interact with.
Oh wow, dude. Yeah, it's pretty incredible. Oh, I see there's a baby dinosaur there.
I think when the babies scatter, then you know the big guy's coming.
Oh boy. Dude. This is so realistic. Jedi would freak out.
Are you still immersed in
I'm not immersed.
Hawaii? Okay, so you see your surroundings?
Yeah, I can see my
and the car and
surroundings.
everything? Okay. So it's a really nice compositing.
Wow. It's close. It's like sniffing. And it's popping through the window. Oh my God. This is going to change education. Oh, by a massive degree. Wow. Okay, I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, so you just take it off.
I closed it.
Yeah,
Okay.
you just pull it, take it off.
everything's
There's nothing you have to just take it off your head.
It's pushing up against
Yeah.
my brow, and I feel...
There's different head options that you can do. So
Oh, I believe it.
Yeah.
No, I mean, that's a $3,500 experience. I mean, if you're going to use it,
Right.
like, and I could see this easily replacing a home entertainment center. Easily.
yeah, and what did people pay for plasma screens
That's
10
what
years
I'm
ago?
saying.
Right.
That's this is, if nothing else, that.
Right.
I'm curious to know how I'm gonna feel.
Right.
So it's been up against my head, so I couldn't tell if that was motion sick. I'm fine.
Yeah.
I don't feel motion
Right.
sick. But I would use it primarily. I think is I mean, apart from third-party apps or whatever, I'd probably use it as because every night I'm in bed, I'm watching TV.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's this screen. I just assume watching.
I use it as my monitor.
That's incredible. That's serious.
And obviously, the UI was intuitive from the beginning.
I mean, I'll say this: I've been critical on Apple's UI. Like since iOS 7, it makes sense here.
Right.
It's clean.
Yeah.
It's fluid. The UX is intuitive enough that I can. The UX is intuitive enough that I can. Okay, you give me a little hint where I need to do that, and then I was able to get around again without having to rethink it.
They did a good job.
Dude, yeah, hats off. I mean, literally, my hat's off. When Jedi's friends come over, some of them like looking at the silver play button that I got long after I passed 100,000 subscribers. And I got to tell you, this award is nice to have, but it's kind of bittersweet because it really doesn't mean that much to me because unfortunately, most of the people who have subscribed to this channel will never even see anything from me ever again. Not because they wouldn't want to. It's just that's what happens in the era of algorithmic content.